Belling the cat. Once upon a time, the mice in a house lived in constant fear of a cunning cat that prowled silently and often caught them by surprise. Tired of living in fear, the mice decided to hold a meeting to find a way to protect themselves. They gathered together and discussed many ideas. After much debate, one young mouse stood up and proposed a clever plan. "I have a solution," he said. "Let's hang a bell around the cat's neck. That way, whenever the cat comes near, we'll hear the bell ringing and have time to escape." All the mice cheered and praised the idea. It seemed like the perfect plan. But then, an old and wise mouse raised a question. "That's a great idea indeed. But tell me, who will volunteer to put the bell on the cat?" The room fell silent. The mice looked at each other nervously. No one dared to take on such a dangerous task. One by one, they shook their heads and backed away. And so, the plan remained, just an idea brilliant in theory, but impossible to carry out. Moral of the story. This fable shows that it's easy to suggest bold and clever solutions, but without a realistic way to carry them out, they are of no use. A plan must not only sound good, but also be practical and actionable.